Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 8.17%, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost of Axie endlessness generally has fallen by 1.07% in the past 24 hours in an especially significant manner. As far as Axie's support floor, it sort of is currently $10.21 in a sort of significant manner. Axie generally has its fundamentally next obstruction at $11.87, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. 12 February 2024, in this video we'll generally walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these as often as possible, especially clarified some pressing issues, facts. What essentially is momentary cost expectation for Axie vastness truly is Axie a truly wise speculation, which really is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness support and obstruction levels and so on, which basically is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Axie's specialized examination, essentially let us by and large discussion about the genuinely current economic situations, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,786,952,369,650 in a sort of huge manner. The extremely all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $45,892,662,127, exhibiting how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 8.17%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, exhibiting that the cost of Axie vastness truly has fallen by 1.07% in the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is somewhere near 5 and as of now exchanging at $104.74, or so they especially thought. Moreover, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem, so the cost of Axie limitlessness truly has fallen by 1.07% in the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market especially is going in a truly descending heading for extremely present moment, so as far as Axie's support floor, it basically is currently $10.21, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, a kind of broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense, further appearance how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, showing that the cost of Axie vastness basically has fallen by 1.07% in the past 24 hours, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Which explicitly shows that Axie endlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of more commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a huge manner. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants essentially become move especially dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how these occasions all things considered demonstrate that the market all things considered is going in a kind of descending heading for all things considered present moment. So as far as Axie's support floor, it in every way that really matters is currently $10.21 in an unobtrusive way. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of Axie boundlessness, Axes, Axie vastness execution. The by and large day-to-day outline of Axie limitlessness sort of shows that the Axes cost fundamentally has a truly descending development, with a 1.07% lessening in especially beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that right now, a for the most part broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, for the most part further appearance how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, exhibiting that the cost of Axie endlessness truly has fallen by 1.07% in the past 24 hours. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axes coin explicitly is remaining at $7.55, with market capitalization $1,035,316,023 United States dollars, which especially is genuinely huge. Axes cost changes 8.17% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is floating around $86,581,087 United States dollars, showing how these occasions especially demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending heading for genuinely present moment. So as far as Axes support floor, it fundamentally is currently $10.21, or so they essentially thought. Axie endlessness value examination Axes cost investigation for 12 February 2024 inside a by and large everyday time period, basically made sense of beneath, which all things considered, shows that Axie vastness support and obstruction levels, and so on, or so they generally thought. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving really normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to basically examine the future development of the Axie limitlessness. Showing that the value worth of the Axie vastness, Axes coin most certainly is remaining at $7.55, with market capitalization $1,035,316,023 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. The Axie vastness basically has by and large break all its sort of supports levels and things in every way that really matters are not searching all things considered, great for the crypto market in a for the most part significant manner. As of now, explicitly bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take Axes cost beneath the critical help level of $10.21. Which explicitly shows that similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors essentially become move in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in an especially descending course for genuinely present moment, so as far as Axes support floor, it truly is currently $10.21, which fundamentally is very huge. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid